really looking forward to that, that sort of thought leadership that usually comes with Singularity.
The energy is electrifying and people are so excited to be here.
I think the opportunities that will come from here is so exciting, especially for our youngsters up and coming.
It's a great opportunity, I think, for especially young, talented individuals in the industry.
You're exposed to things that you didn't know were going on. It's mind-blowing. And with that, you make amazing connections that you then take out of the conference and hopefully do some amazing work with.
Saying the speaking is a highlight is a no-brainer. I think there's phenomenal speakers. It's always going to be top tier. But I think really the networking and connecting with some amazing people is the best.
I'm having an amazing time having some of the best conversations I've had about the future.